Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is a general reading from mid of April till end of April. So I'll tap into a partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome, okay? So right now, just give me a second, okay? Okay. So Cancerians, your partner's energy right now is the page of cups. Your partner wants to offer you something, maybe they want to propose you, maybe they want to say I love you or they adore you or they like you or something. So there is some kind of beautiful energy from their side, there's some kind of beautiful message from their side but that is coming in towards you, okay Cancer. Right now your partner is in this energy of they are developing feelings for you, new feelings for you. These are very recent and very newfound feelings that they are feeling towards you Cancerians, okay. And how your partner sees you, this is the Seven of Wands. Your partner sees you as somebody who is kind of adamant or they are not ready to change their ways because your partner feels so. So your partner basically feels like you are somewhat cold towards them, or you may be adamant and you are not ready to change yourself because they want you to do so. So basically your partner feels like you are somewhat adamant, and you if you are stuck on something, you are not going to change your views about that particular thing or particular person or in the situation just because your partner wants you to do that, okay. That is what they feel, that is how they see you right now. How they feel about this relationship, the Hermit. Cancer, to be very honest, this person is not, you know, what could I say? This person is not in this situation right now that they understand exactly what is going through this relationship or what is going inside of you. They feel like this relationship is somewhat in this mode of airplane mode, you can say. There's no disturbance, there's no hindrance, but there's no progression as well, okay. So it is kind of that this relationship is kind of stuck right now. There is no much movement in this relationship or no much communication in this relationship right now. I feel like your partner feels like there is some kind of work going on, healing work going on from both the parties, within both the parties, and that is why they are feeling like this relationship is in the stagnant mode right now. This relationship is on the that mode where nothing much is happening between both the parties, okay. What you want, what your partner wants from this relationship, this is the Five of Wands. Your partner wants to come out of this conflict that is going on between you guys from a maybe very long time, Cancer, and they want to come out of this conflict. Maybe inner conflict is going on between you guys, or you are conflicted or your partner is conflicted. So whatever the conflict is going on between you guys, they want to come out of this conflict and they want to give you this proposal that they love you, or they want to offer you some beautiful feelings, some beautiful gifts or beautiful news. So whatever this is, they just want to come out of this conflict. They feel like this relationship is stagnant right now. There's not much happening. Maybe this relationship is going through a spiritual awakening thing. That is why this relationship is not moving further right now. Okay, and by the end of April, what your partner is going to do, or the potential outcome from their side, is the Knight of Wands. They are coming in with the offer, okay. So this is not a committal energy. Actually they are not going to commit something to you like a relationship or something. Yes, they are in love with you, they want to share their life with you. This Knight of Wands energy is lots of physical attraction between you guys. All they want is right now to enjoy with you, to enjoy your body and your desires, or maybe the sexual energy, the sexual chemistry between you guys is so intense that they want to have sex with you, a lot of it, by the end of April. And they want to discover where this relationship is going on, to be very honest. They are coming in with full force, with full passion, with full enthusiasm, but all they need right now is to offer their liking towards you, and then they want to, offer you some kind of romantic gestures, intimacy, physical love, okay. Lots of physical love is coming your way, Cancer, to be very honest. And the Knight of Wands is clarified by Nine of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Nine of Swords. So why they're coming in like this? Because in the back of the mind, in their back of mind, in the back of their mind, this is like they feel like they should be abundant enough, they should be stable enough, monetarily stable, financially stable, and they should get some name and fame. Then only they will be able to make this move towards you to get into the commitment energy, and that is why they are stressing over this relation, stressing over you. So they are very very anxious and stressed whether you are going to accept their physical intimacy kind of relationship with them right now or not. But anyways, they are coming in with lots of passion, lots of physical energy towards you, lots of physical pull towards you, Cancer. Okay, so let's tap into your energy. Your energy is the King of Swords right now. So I feel like you are very very clear about this relationship, Cancer. You are very very clear that what you want in this relationship. You are very clear about the intention that you are holding for this particular person in general. So you're not playing any kind of mind games. You are very very practical. You are very very honest with your feelings, and you are telling them very bluntly what you want in this relationship or from this particular person. So you are in this opening up and talking to them bluntly and honestly energy. Okay, and how you see your person, justice. Might be your person is a Libra. Okay, I'm just telling you, this is a general reading. So you feel like your person should serve the justice. Okay, I feel like although you guys have insane chemistry between you, although you guys have lots of passion for each other, I feel like you see your person as somebody who's not serving justice to this relationship, or there's no equal give and take. Maybe you are feeling like you are giving too much to this person, you are making so much of efforts, but not getting the equal amount of efforts and energy from their side, and that is why you are seeking justice from their side. You are looking for justice from their side. By the word justice, I feel like might be you guys, some of you might be in a legal dispute, and you are hoping that your partner will win. Or if you guys are going through a separation, so you feel like your partner will get justice. Sorry, your partner will do justice to this relationship. Okay, so this is your energy. You are very very clear about this particular person and your intentions. How you see your partner is a justice card. You see your partner as somebody who do justice to everything, or they should do justice to everything. Okay, or this particular relationship in general. Okay, what you feel about this relationship is the Magician. You feel like Cancer, you feel like you manifested this person, you manifested this relationship into your life. This relationship is your long term manifestation result. So you feel like this relationship is not something that comes and goes by. This is something very very solid. This is something that you created by your own vibes, own thoughts, and you might applied law of attraction to manifest this particular person or this type of particular relationship in your life. Okay, so you feel like this person is manifested in your life. This person is the result of your manifestation, and this relationship is the result of your manifestation. What you want from this relationship, this is the Four of Pentacles. You want clarity. Again, I'm telling you, I feel like your person is holding back a lot. They are not telling you exactly what is going on in their life, exactly what they think about you, exactly what they want from this relationship, and that is why you feel like you should not hold back. Or maybe you are feeling like you should not hold back and you should talk to them openly and honestly and bluntly and tell them exactly what you are going through, exactly what you want from this particular person or relationship. And that is why you want to come out of this holding back energy and tell them exactly what you are going through, what you want from this person or relationship. Okay, the outcome from your side is the Ten of Swords. You might feel like you were stabbed in the back in the past. Okay, or might be you are feeling like this is worst thing that is happening between you guys, because the worst phase is over, you are ready for a new beginning. This is the Ten of Swords. You felt like somebody stabbed you in the back, but let me tell you one thing, the worst will be over between you guys. There will be open and honest conversation from your side as well and from their side as well, and this relationship will flourish. I think there will be reconciliation. There will be some kind of you know beautiful conversation, beautiful communication coming in for you. So the Ten of Swords, the outcome from your side is the Ten of Swords. So the worst will be over and you will be ready to have a new beginning and have a new relationship with this particular partner, with the past person only. So the Ten of Swords is clarified by the Four of Wands, the King of Wands, and the Six of Cups. So you are ready, Cancer. You are ready to make this person your partner. You are ready to get engaged, get hitched with this person, because you are feeling very very passionate about this person, because you are so much deeply in love with this person. You feel like this is the person whom you manifested from a very long time. and because you feel nostalgic about this person, because you feel you are missing their voice, you are missing their hugs, you are missing their kisses, or you are missing their presence overall in your life. You are feeling nostalgic about this person because I feel like you guys had a history together. This is not a new person, but I feel like you guys had a history together. Might be 15-year long, might be 10-year long, might be 15 days long, I don't know, but there is some kind of history related to this person, and you feel nostalgic about this person. You are going to miss this person if you are in separation or if you are living in a distance. So basically right now your energy is that you are holding back from something, but by the end of April you are going to talk to this person, and maybe you are going to offer them a committed relationship. I don't know what will be their answer. Okay, Cancer. So at the bottom of the deck we have the 10 of the mutual energy for both the parties is 10 of Pentacles. So both of you are liking each other, loving each other, but I feel like, and you both want a stable and honest relationship with each other. But right now, one partner is more than ready, and the other is getting ready. Okay, they are also getting ready. Don't worry about this thing that they will not open up, or they will not give you that satisfaction that you want from them, the stability and the marriage thing. They will eventually. So I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck for recent, past, present, and the um, incoming future or near future. You can say sometimes my throat chakra get blocked, and I'm not able to say what I want to say. This happens to me a lot of times. So the recent past energy was abundance. Keep a positive mindset, manifest exactly what you want. Gratitude is, I told you, you manifested this person in your life and you feel like abundant. When this person came in your life, you felt like, yes, this is the person I manifested, this is the person I was trying to manifest in my life, or this is the relationship that I wanted in my life. And that is why you felt very abundant when this person arrived in your life. Right now this is healthy choices, making healthy choices in love and life, self-love, self-care, being happier. Right now you're focusing on yourself, Cancer. Right now this is all about your healthy choices, self-love, self-care, and healing. And in the near future you will be having a new phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth, and changed mind. The Phoenix, this is your near future card. Okay, if you can see, Cancerians. So Cancerians, this is all about your love life till the end of April. I hope you like this reading, and I hope you will get some insight of what you should do about this particular person in general. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you, and if I can improve anything in my readings. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.